Hey everybody, Bobby Wilson, Warrior Jiu-Jitsu Team Gustavo Machado. Today I got Matthew and Alan with me today. They're going to be demonstrating some technique they like to do. They're going to show everybody, teach them what they like while they're doing in class, or if we're like having a little testing where we do some technique demonstration and everything. So they're going to do what they like to do right now. All right, boys, go ahead and take over.
We're going to be starting from cross side. First, you want to make sure that you have a really good cross side, because we're going to be doing an arm triangle from the mount, but we're transitioning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk my fingers up, the hand that's in the armpit, walk the fingers up, and then I knee slice over the belly button, and then I take this hand out, put it over his head, and I'm supposed to get my head connected to his. It's supposed to be where it's ear to ear. And I grab my own bicep and I squeeze everything tight. So you get a good cross side. You walk fingers up. And sometimes if you don't bring your knee up far enough, then he could end up getting my half guard. And then you lose that leg, right? So what you want to do is you just get your knee up far enough to where it's out of reach, right? So bring that arm over. Sometimes whenever you walk the arm up, it gets stuck. His hand gets kind of stuck up under your chest. So what you want to do is you just want to take this arm out and you just want to brush it back over, if that were to ever happen. Same thing, ear to ear, hand on the bicep, and then just squeeze. One more time. Walk the fingers up. Knee slice. And just brush the arm over. Make sure it's ear to ear. Grab your bicep. And we'll squeeze everything tight.
So I'm going to be doing an arm lock from Kesa. So you take their arm, you're going to push it down. You take this bottom leg and you throw it over their arm. You push it down. And then I like to take this back leg, come around, and hook around this foot. And then you slowly lift your hips till they tap. You start from here. When you have Kesa, you're going to make sure you're grabbing the inside of your leg. That way, it's a lot harder for him to get out. And when you go down like this, if they're not tapping, you can come up, grab your hand, and crank their head. Here from the Kesa, push this arm down, throw this leg over, come around, hook it, and tap.
All right, that's just some of the stuff that they like to do. Arm triangle and then another arm lock. So that's something that they like to do. I hope everybody enjoyed it. Train it, try it, see if you like it. You can add some to it or take from it and use whatever you need to do. All right? Everybody make sure they like and subscribe. Everybody have a good jiu-jitsu day. Loose.